Okay, welcome class. How is everyone doing today? Good? Okay, my friends, I want you guys to remember how we have been talking about writing that matches our illustrations, okay? We remember that? Do you remember that we did that with Miss Gomez? Okay. And how about do we remember how we have been talking about transportation, which is our theme of this week? And how we get around town, our state of California and our country of the United States. Okay? So this will build on our directed draw activity for what we will be doing today. Okay? So before we begin, my friends, I want to mention our goal for today, which is to be able to describe our own illustration with the sentence. Okay? So here we go. This is our little benchmark book, which is called How People Travel. Okay, so here we go. Let's flip that book. One more page. Okay, it says, people travel. They go from one place to another. People travel in different ways. Ooh, let's see how many different ways people can travel. First, people learn to crawl. Babies travel by crawling on their hands and knees. Soon babies learn to stand, they walk, run, and they travel faster and farther. Do my friends remember when they were babies, they were crawling?
Yeah.
They weren't able to walk yet? No. That was a long time ago, my friends. That was what, 5 years ago?
Yeah.
Yep. Children and adults travel in different ways. They walk, jump, skip, and run. A long time ago, people walked and ran from one place to another. There were no cars or trucks. I know my friends don't remember this, but way back then, when our grandmas were around, they weren't able to use our cars, my friends. So it took them hours, even days, to walk from maybe our house from 10 minutes away to school. It took them maybe 3 hours instead of 10 minutes. Isn't that crazy, my friends?
Yeah.
Okay, people traveled by riding horses, mules, and donkeys. Riding a horse or mule meant it took a long time to go from one place to another. Can you imagine that?
Yeah.
Some people began to travel on trains. Trains help people go faster and farther. People travel on trains today. These trains travel even faster and farther. Okay, I want my friends to stop and think right now, and I want them to tell their partner if they've ever been on a train. Ready? Let's think, and let's go ahead and share. Share with your partner if you've been on a train before. Why don't you share with Matthew if you've been on a train before? Okay, my friends. So, have my friends ever been at Disneyland maybe?
Yeah.
What about the zoo?
Yeah.
Is there trains at the zoo and Disneyland?
Yeah.
Okay, then there we go, my friends. We've been on a train. And if we haven't, we'll get there, don't you worry. So people also began to travel in cars. They go faster and farther. Today, cars look different than they did in the past. See how in this first picture, the car didn't have a lot of color, and all of their clothes and blankets and food is in the front rather than in the back because the people were in the back riding. And now our groceries, where do they go? In the back. Yep. So let's see. People began to use trucks to move things from one place to another. Today, trucks travel and carry things faster and farther. The way people travel today is different from how they traveled in the past. People today can travel faster and farther. Even on motorcycles, my friends. Okay, and I want to show